All right, good evening once again. God bless you guys. Okay, in this training, okay, what I want to do is to show you how you can generate professional profile photos. All right, so if this is your first time here, I will need you to click the link below and join us. All right, join us, and you're going to be updated at every point in time when we are dropping new things like this. Okay, new information that can help you to make good money. Now please follow this video. Okay, make sure you watch this training to the end. Okay, from the beginning to the end, don't miss any part of it. So if you just decide to leave now, you're going to miss everything. All right, so make sure you stay put and watch till the very end. Okay, and so that you can be able to learn something great out of this. So without wasting much of your time, right, let's dive in now. Quickly go to this website, okay, PFP. Just type PFP Maker. That is it. So just go for PFP Maker, pfpmaker.com, and then you are good to go. So I just drop the link right now, and the link is also going to be in the description part of this video, right? If you are watching this video later on, you can just click on it and then see how it goes. All right, now come over there, and then this is the free version. All right, this is the free version. There are limitations on this one. All right, the limitation is that, okay, you cannot change the background. You can only use the one they're going to give to you. But for those of us who are going to pay for my course, all right, I'm going to also give you an app that can help you to change the background for you. But for this free class, all right, you are only limited to the one that you have to just go ahead and change. I mean, just create profiles, photos, right? That okay, and you can actually alter the background. Although you can edit, I'm going to show you how to edit, all right, but you cannot change background of your choice. So if you want to see how to change background and do some stuff, AI generated background for yourself while you are using this, okay, join our paid class, all right, with 2,000, you can join the class over there, and then you can have access to that course, okay. Let I forget, no, you can pay 1,000 since you are in this place, all right. Since you are hearing me right now, you can pay 1,000 instead of 2,000, is that okay? Now, what you do is this, okay, if you come over here, right, sign up with them, all right, make sure you sign up with them, click on upload photo. That's the first thing. So I'm going to click on browse. Then I'll have to go look for the photo I want to use. All right, for this particular training I want to use this one, right? I want to use this photo. All right, so it's going to be uploaded straight to the platform, and then it's going to be saying generating profile pictures. So you're going to generate as many as possible, all right, up to 20, 25, thereabout. So you're going to be generating that for you. Just this clip right now, all right, with just this touch, you're going to be generating all of that. So let's wait for it to generate all that for us, okay? I would like to advise you on something, right? When it is generating the profile pictures, please don't leave the page. Exactly, don't leave the page, one, and secondly, your internet should be strong enough. All right, so doing that, you know, to produce something funny, right? I don't want to produce something funny, so make sure you stay till the end of the generating, and then also make sure your internet is strong enough so that to speed up, all right, faster than when your internet is misbehaving. So make sure you hang on, right, till the end of the generating of the profile. So all right, so here comes our beautiful photos. All right, so these are the photos. You can see it actually produces a lot of them. You can see them, right? So there are a lot of background. So what you need to do is just to tell your clients, all right, tell your client to give you a photo, all right, and then they're going to start generating them for you. Now the truth, you can actually edit them, right? You can actually adjust. Yes, you can. So let me show you how to adjust them, okay, away from, you can see, like I told you, make sure internet is strong enough, right? Because some of them were not well generated. So make sure, okay, so this is what you will do, right? Now if you look up here, right, here we're going to give you the shape of the stuff that they give to you, right? This circle shape, right? You can change it, you can alter it. You just tap it like that, then you're going to see here square, round, rounded corner, and then extra rounded. So if you click on square now, all right, all of them going to be taking this square shape. See that? All of them. Then when you go back there and click on rounded corners, all right, it will give you this format. You can see that they are rounded, right? The edges are rounded, right? If you go back there and click on extra rounded, all right, it gives you more rounded shape and all of that, right? So you can actually take time to edit. That is one. And then here, if you click here right now, okay, it's going to give you the color. You can change the color. All right, so you can decide to change the color palette if you want to change the color palette. Okay, so you can decide to, let's say, use you can even use gradients. Okay, we have the solid color, we have the gradients. Okay, so you can actually pick any one of your choice. So let's say we pick this gradient. All right, When you do that, it will affect all of them once. All of them. It will take care of all of them for you. Exactly. So that's what happens. So you can try to change the color. You can change the shape. Is that okay? That is one. Then again, you can also edit them individually. All right, you can edit them individually. Let's say, for instance, I want to work on this one, right? I'll just tap it like this. Then you're going to see edit. I'm going to see download. You see that? You see edit and you see download. So when you click on edit, all right, and then you can start working on it. You can see that, you see. Maybe before now it was like the head was longer, right? So you can see it's down a bit now. So you can change that. Then you can start to change the photo. You can add some decoration if you want to. But the last time I checked, okay, the decoration part, okay, I don't really like what I saw there, right? But then of course you can actually have opportunity to decorate whatever you want to do, but I'm not really cool with that. All right, I'm not cool with that. But if you want to do that, you are free to do that. Then the background, now this background here, right, if you click on it, all right, it's actually to edit the background in terms of you can actually bring in another photo color that you want to another photo to change the background. If you want to change the background, you see that, and then the colors. But the paid app I'm talking about, all right, that one going to change different background for you. For instance, if you just type in I want to see myself in the inside the plane, aeroplane stuff, right? It will give you that kind of background. If you want to see yourself in an expensive modern house, it's going to give you that background. So AI will be generating those backgrounds for you. But for this one, you are limited. You cannot have access to that. So for those of you, I want to give my Christmas bonus. If you pay your 1K now instead of 2K, I'm going to give you access to my course area, which is supposed to be 2,000, right, for you guys. But you can pay 1K now and join the right now. All right, the last part I want to show you is to go to this app. It's called Photo Room. Now, like I told you, this is a pro app. All right, it's not free. All right, this is a paid one. If you join us right now with 1,000 instead of 2,000 right now, okay, you're going to have access to this app. All right, and then you are good to go. So just tap it. Tap it. I want to also show you how this can also generate something more professional. So what you do is you click on Start from Photo. Don't update it, please. Don't try that. If you update it, you are looking for trouble. So clear that and then go to Start from Photo as you did, and then pick any photo. Okay, go to gallery and pick one. Let me pick this lady this time around, right? Let me pick somebody like this. So what it does is, first of all, to remove the background first. That's what it does, right? This one is going to remove the background. So when that is done, you can see what I was talking about. You're going to see instant background, all right? But before I do that, I'm going to go down and look for profile photo, right? Now, please, one beautiful thing about this app, all right, is that it gives you different stuffs, all right? You can see this is marketplaces. This is photo editing classics, all right? As long as your internet is strong, you'll be seeing them coming. This is social media. There are different categories. Then you can edit from the scratch. These profile pictures. You can see this is called profile pictures. So yeah, you're going to be seeing profile pictures just like the other one that we just saw, right? But this is more professional than that one. All right, because in this, you can actually change the background to your own taste, okay, as you want it. So what you do is just tap it, okay? My internet is a bit shaking. Just tap it and then you're going to start seeing them coming up. You can see them, right? Beautiful. These ones are more professional than that other one. So that's why I said, when you pay your 1K right now, okay, instead of 2K, you can join the course area and have access to this professional, this pro app, and you are good to go. Is that okay? So you can see them, right? Beautiful profile pictures going to be given to you. Now again, the same way also, you can also edit this. Do you see this other one that has something like a shadow around, right? A white shadow, okay, around it. Very nice, very beautiful. All right, so you can pick the one that goes with the dress. Okay, you can try to pick anyone that you feel like that go with the dress, and you are good to go. All right, so this is nice. This is nice, guys. This is beautiful. So let me just quickly pick one and then let's work with that, okay? Let me work with this one or any of them, right? Let me just tap this. So when you tap it, it's going to come up like this, all right? So you have opportunity to change the background. This is what I was telling you just now, right? You can change the background here. You can add shadow. You can add the text. You can click on that text part and add the name. Sorry, you can say like Dr. Mrs. Dr. Mrs. AJ. Okay, AZ. I'm just giving that Igbo name, right? So when you do that, you can pick the style you want. You can use baseline, you can use style, all right? You can use any of them that you feel that, okay, any style you feel like you can use. You can use story, you can see that story. You can use honey, all right? Very nice. You can use slick, all right? I think I like the slick too. You can use tail. Just take your time, anyone you like, okay? Just pick it up and you are good to go. And then when you are done with that, you can also change the font also, right? You can change the font too, all right? Anyone you feel like using, okay? So let's say I want to use that one, right? You can click on done, all right? Click on done, and then when you do that, just drag. You can see what I'm doing, right? Just drag it to this back to the down here. Then you can change the color, all right? You can change the color of the text. The color of the text. You can try to work on that. What you do, you can pinch. You can just hold the stuff together, the text together, right? And make it a bit smaller wherever you want to. Then drag and position the way you want to position it, all right? You can do that to make it smaller. If you want it to be small, something like that, right? Okay, I think this is how it can go. Maybe if we go to Canva now, we can get it better than this. All right, I think let me just leave it like that, okay? Dr. Mrs. Eze, something like that. And then you can like I told you, can go to background. And you can see under background, you're going to see instant background. When you see instant background, just tap it, all right? Click on this one, create a background. Click on that, okay? Click on create a background, then type in what you want to see. All right, guys, so I just type a lady in a modern house, right? You can actually extend it to this way, right? Your subject on with more details, right? So you can actually write more stuff here, right? You can also tap any of these stuff, but we don't need all of that. So just for educational purpose, you can take time to come by and do whatever you want to do. Click on generate images. Images based on, like I said, in a modern house. I'm using this as an example, right? You can come around here and decide to pick anything you want to pick. So they're going to give you 4, right? If these 4 you're not cool with the 4, you can generate more. All right, you can generate more for yourself, but it's just for educational purpose. Okay, let me just tap this one, and then I think we are done. All right, so these are our final results for this training anyway. All right, like I told you, you can come around and if you come into the course area, you can pick it up and then decide to do whatever you want to do with your image or with your pictures, right? And like I told you, you can make a lot of money from this. Okay, there are people who are looking for how to generate professional profile photos like this for their Instagram pages, for Facebook, for WhatsApp, for TikTok, for YouTube, and now all of them. So you can just tell them, okay, give me 2K, 1K. If you are a starter, you can say 2K. Okay, for people like, you can say 5K. You can, if you meet an international client, you can tell him $10. All right. I'm going to show you that if you come to the class, the training I want to do, right? I'm going to show you how you can sell something like this to white men and white ladies, and you can be making money from this, a lot of money from this. All right. So join the training if you want to join us. Just pay 1,000 and join now, okay? So that you can learn a lot for about this. All right. And then what you do is just click on export for you to export it. If you are done with whatever you have done, when you click on export, you can click on to gallery, save to gallery, and one tap is just going to be saved straight to gallery. You can see that. So it's been saved. So guys, this is it for now, right? So I'm going to see you some other time. God bless you. This is Dr. Tanke. I'll be out for now. Bye.